If you truly want to make money in the year 2025, these few mobile apps and websites I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video will help you do that. In fact, the last website I shared in this video made me 30,000 naira, and it also made my friend around 17,000 naira or so. And then this is the proof of my own right here, and this is my friend's own right here. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about this mobile app and website, including how to use it. So make sure you watch this video to the end, especially that last website in this video. So before I get started, I would like to first of all welcome you all to my channel, Makin Student Vlog. I am Makin, your host. Please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like listening to money making videos like this one. But before I proceed, I would like to let you know that all the websites I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video will not make you rich, but put a good amount of money in your pocket while you hustle for the bigger bag. Now, let's get right to the video. So the very first platform on our list is called MomoTube, and this is my account, the account I created on MomoTube right here. So, and also this is the money I've earned so far from this website, around 158,910 naira, which you also can earn from this website. So in case you don't know what this platform is all about, MomoTube is a platform where you primarily get to watch videos to earn money. So the kind of videos you're going to be watching in this particular platform is all about YouTube videos. So for you to register on this site, use my link and then paste it on your Google, and then you will see something like this. So once you see it, all you need to do is to scroll down a little bit and click on the join now tab. So once you click on the join now tab, the next thing you're going to do is to fill in the forms as they are shown to you. So everything, you need to follow prompt to fill in the forms. So once you fill in the forms, the next thing you're going to do is to click on create an account. So once you click create an account, this is your dashboard. So I've already created another account for this tutorial. So once you create an account, they will give you the sum of 12,375 naira on this app. And the 12,375 naira they will credit on your dashboard is just like a welcome bonus. So other things you need to know about this website is below at the footer of the website. So for you to watch videos to earn money, all you need to do is to click on the video icon right below the footer of the website, and then it will take you to the page where you are going to watch videos and earn money, which is on this page. And the next thing you need to do is to click on any video to watch it. So you play it. So this particular video, I need to watch it for a minute and 15 seconds, but because of time I fast forwarded this video so that it will finish on time. So now I'm done watching this particular video. Then this is the amount I earned. Congratulations, you've earned 2,100 naira. So I've earned 2,100 naira from this particular website. So this is what you are also going to do to as many videos as you want, for you to earn as much as you desire. So for every video you watch, you are sure of earning money. So the difference is that all each particular video you watch has its own price tag. So as you can see right there are so many price tags there. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is the referral program. Now I've showed you guys this referral before, and I'm still going to be showing you guys again. So once you register on this site, they will give you a referral link that you are going to be using to invite people. So this is my own referral link that I'm going to be using to invite people for me to earn money from this website. So you can check yours on the referral program. So the next is the task. So the task is where you get to solve some tasks and then earn money. So there are different tasks which you can lay your hands on to earn more money from this website. Tasks of different prices: 2,250, 3,000, 1,500. So there are so many tasks you can lay your hands to earn money from this website. And everything you're going to be doing to earn money from these tasks I'm talking about is very simple. So answering tasks here, tasks here is just like answering question, taking survey. So once you do any task, you earn money, and that's how simple it is. So the next on the list is the withdrawal aspect, which is one of the most important aspects of this website. So as you can see, so far I've earned 14,475 naira, and according to this website I need to reach the minimum balance of 45,000 naira before I could withdraw my money from this website. So you can withdraw your money in multiple payment gateways. either through OPay, PalmPay, or Momo. And that's all you need to know about this website. So the next website on our list is SideGig. SideGig is another good platform where you can earn money in Naira without stress. So for you to sign up in this website, all you need to do is to click on create tax in the front page and then follow the prompt to register on this website like I'm doing right now. So once you are done, you head on to the second part phase of registering on this website. So and then you after you're done with the second phase, which is also what I'm doing right now. So after you're done with the second phase, then you click on next. So once you click on the next, you are then see yourself in the main website. So this is main website right here. So this website, you earn money from this website by doing tax. And for you to perform any tax on this website, all you need to do is to click on the tax center in the menu, the first. So once you click on it, it will take you to the tax center where you are going to choose any tax you want to earn money. So the tax here ranges from 47 to 48 naira tax. So once you click on one, then you follow the prompt to do the task as directed by the prompt. So once you are done doing the task, like I'm actually doing one of it now. So doing the task here is still very simple. So you click on finish once you are done with the task. So the finish button is also there once you are done with the task. So once you are done with the task, once you click on finish, then you check your dashboard to see if the money reflected on your account. So as you can see, completed task 1, then total earning 47 naira, total balance 47 naira. So you can do as many tasks as you want on this platform to earn your money. So once you're done earning your money, then you can also refer people to earn more money on this platform. So you can copy your link. Once you register, there is also a customized link for you. So once you copy it, then you share it with family and friends, and then that's it. So the last part is the payout. So the minimum payout for this platform is 1,000 naira, and the maximum payout is 100,000 naira, which is easy to make if you are serious with this platform. And remember, it's just 1,000 naira. It's very simple. So that's it. So the next, which is the last but not the least platform on our list right here, is the Wow platform. So the Wow platform is one of the websites I've earned a lot from, which I also showed you guys my physical cash out from this platform. My problem with this platform is that you can lose your account anytime. So for you to register on this platform, all you need to do is to head on to their page with their link, which I'm going to be sharing in the comment section, and then follow the prompt to register like I'm doing right now. So once you've done following the prompt to register, you click on agree next. Then you verify the captcha. So this is the website with registration for this website. So this is the website right here. So there are only 4 things you're going to be doing in this website to actually earn real money from this website. So the number one, which we have done already, is complete new user task, which is registration. So once you complete your registration, you stand a chance of earning 800 naira instantly. So the second one is logging into your WhatsApp. So logging into your WhatsApp using this app is just like the most important part of earning in this app. So once you log into this app with your WhatsApp, you stand a chance of earning 50 naira every day just by staying online on WhatsApp. So you get a chance of earning 15 naira per day using this website as long as you are always online on WhatsApp. So the second to the last part of earning in this app is putting your real account number. So while putting your account number, make sure all the details you are filling in is very correct. Otherwise, your money will be paid to another person's account. So make sure everything you are filling is very correct. And once you fill it completely, you just click on submit, and that's all. So the last but not the least is you inviting other people. So inviting other people, which is referring other people to this platform, you're going to earn 1,500 naira in the first 72 hours. In the second 144 hours, you're going to earn another 1,500 naira. Then in 216 plus hours, you stand a chance of earning 7,000 naira from this platform. And that's all for this platform and the rest of the video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer. Thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.